Here are the 3 steps to increasing your menu prices without losing your customers. The 3 things you need to do to increase your menu prices is 1, understand it's a step-by-step process. I'm going to talk a lot about it in a little bit. The second thing you need to do is get your employees involved. Get them to understand why you need to do it and communicate it with them. And I'm also going to talk about it in a bit. And the third thing you need to do is identify areas where you can add more value to your customers while you're increasing your menu prices. I learned it the hard way. For years, I was afraid. I was afraid of losing my customers. But my costs were going up at the same time, and I felt like I was stuck in this jail. I didn't know which way to go. My landlord wanted more money to continue the lease. My vendors were increasing their prices. And overall in the market, and the salaries were going up, right? And the salaries were going up. And all of these were squeezing me and squeezing my profit margin month on month on month. And I needed to increase my menu prices. There was no way out to go. I'd already cut cost where I could. But I was afraid. I was scared to raise my menu prices because it's all the hard work I did to bring my business to where it was. I didn't know a 10% price increase on my menu, how many customers I would lose. I mean, would it even make sense at the end of the year? But I'll tell you what, I learned this the hard way, and I wish I knew this years back. Because just by not increasing my menu prices for many years, or increasing it just slightly because I was afraid and inconfident and just didn't know how, imagine the amount of revenue I lost. And the years that I did learn how to do it properly without losing my customers, I could look at the 12 months and say, wow, that's a big revenue jump. And it really helped me through the year. So here are the 3 things that I did to raise my menu prices without losing my customers. The first thing, as I said, was it's step by step. It's not to be done at one time. So if I want a 10% increase on my menu prices, I space that out 2-3 times in the year. The first increase is like 3% to 4%. The second increase is 3 to 4% on the increased price already. And then the third time is another 3 to 4% on the increased price already. So in effect, I didn't increase my menu prices at the end of the year at 10%. I may have increased it by 12 or 13% because it compounded. So that was a benefit I didn't think about that I learned work to my advantage. Now here's the thing, when you increase it 2-3 times a year slowly, your customers rarely recognize that. And the ones that do, there is a way to overcome that by getting your employees involved. When you get your employees involved and you tell them why you're increasing your menu prices and assure them that it's not going to affect their tips because they'd have less customers because more customers would be afraid to come, that's not going to happen because now you have a plan. And this is your plan to increase it step by step and more, which I'm going to share about. When they feel your confidence, they translate and communicate that confidence to your customer. You can even give them a script to learn and tell your customer if somebody complains about your pricing. But when they feel that confidence, and that's important, they sense things, right? We're humans, we sense things. So when they feel your confidence, they calm down. And the third thing which you need to do is identify areas in your business that adds more value to your customers. The reason why they come to you, that value that you're providing them, give more of it. You just can't sit back after you've raised your prices. You need to identify. So if you are a restaurant or bar that people come to you for price, come up with better discounts or promotions or brunch menus or lunch menus or combos. If they're coming to you for convenience, find out what about that convenience are they really coming to you for. Is it time? Is it the value of the dish, the size? I don't know. Figure it out for your business. What is the convenience that they're coming for you if it is convenience? Give more of that. So what I mean is find the area of your business that's adding value to your customer and give more. Now, by doing all these 3 steps, I felt a lot more confident to raise my menu prices. That confidence translated and moved on to my employees who felt confident. And when we did that together, we raised our menu prices 3 times every year without our customers really knowing about it. We recovered the potential lost margins of our profits. And I didn't care to hoots what my competition was doing or not doing, whether they were raising prices or not raising prices. I didn't care. I had to run my business. And it worked for me. I hope it works for you. Learn these 3 steps. Do these 3 steps to confidently increase your menu prices without losing any customers. I'm Nandu Avatramani, the founder of F&B Business School. And I started F&B Business School to share, inspire, and teach you the restaurant industry's best business practices so you can go and implement it and have a damn good business and a damn good life. See you next week. Bye.